Hi, welcome to the Clown Motel. We're running a weekly special right now. We have the roach room and the murder room.
We have a little boy who's scared of clowns. Do you have anything for him?
You scared of clowns, are you? Come here. What are you, a f***ing pussy? You scared of clowns or something?
My dad told me to tell anyone who says that, I am what I eat.
Sit down. Sit down.
We'll take a clean room. How about a clean room? You got a clean room?
Yeah, let me check if I have a clean room. Oh, look at that, I don't. Would you like the roach room or the murder room?
Listen, fool, if you can't get us a clean room, we're not staying here.
You're not gonna find any better rooms than the Clown Motel, pal.
The kind of motel is this?
What do you mean, what kind of f***ing hotel is this, pal? Look around you, it's the best on the block. It's a clown motel, it's full of clowns.
What? You said there were no clowns.
Shut up! If you can't get us a fucking room, I'm gonna give you a 1-star review on Yelp, bitch!
I thought this was the Clown Motel, but a couple of clowns just walked through my door!
Did you call me, dog? Más te vale que nos des un pinche cuarto, si no ahorita te
Oh
tumbo
my
los
God.
pinches ojos, güey!
Someone tell me what he's saying! What the f*** is he saying, dude? I don't
Mira-
speak Taco Bell!
Mira, pendejo, ¿por qué no agarras una de esas pinches llaves grandotas, güey, y te las metes por atrás? Una
That
vez te
doesn't
voy
mean
a
I know
decir.
what the f*** you're talking about, pal!
Si no me das un cuarto limpio, güey.
The Clown Motel! It's full of clowns! This is English land! We speak English!